So you want to get access to Dalle 2? Well, I have some good news. Basically, they're inviting 1 million people from their waitlist over the coming weeks, and that's just recent news here. And basically, that means they have a lot of people on their waitlist, but if you get on as soon as possible. I waited about 3 weeks to get into Dalle 2, and I had to wait until they did this here to get in, but I assume it's opening up right now. So if you want to get on the waitlist, first and foremost, go to the Dalle 2 website. You can just Google Dalle 2, pretty much. And then let's go first link here. And what you need to do is just click on Join Waitlist right here. Click on Join Waitlist and you can join the waitlist that way. Again, I myself spent 3 weeks waiting to jump in. Those of you searching for a Dalle 2 invite, there's no invite system per se. You just wait on the waitlist essentially. And when will Dalle 2 be available? They are actually right now in open beta, or not in closed beta, but it looks like they're getting there very, very close very soon. Because if they're onboarding millions of people, then you should be able to get in right away. So those are the basics. So what do you do while you wait on the waitlist? There are 3 awesome alternatives that you have to check out that are absolutely free to access. I'm going to start with Midjourney because Midjourney is running out of space. I don't think they even know this, but there is an actual limit to the number of people you can invite to a Discord. They do fantastic images. They're really focused on digital art more than anything, where Dalle is really great for realism, but I thought I'd just show you here the differences between Dalle and just give you a quick comparison. I made a whole bunch of images. I've kind of used up most of my credits here, and I'll just show you really quick. This is a series of images I created using Midjourney. This was the universe in a teacup. They look really good, in my opinion. Again, not realistic, but really beautiful art. And this is free. This is Midjourney, and this is 100% free right now. But it's very limited in what you get. Okay, so with Dalle 2, I should mention, you get 50 sets of 4 right away that you can use, and 15 free per month. 15 sets of 4 free per month. So you get quite a lot. And you can buy 115 more with Dalle for $15. Midjourney, I believe it's $15 to $30 a month paid plan after you get a small beta. So the best way, by the way, to deal with stuff with Midjourney, I'll just give you this little tip. It doesn't do a lot of things well, but the things it does do well, it does really, really well. And what you need to do is join their Discord. This is actually how you get access to the beta. Join their Discord, sign in, join their Discord. There's only a few spaces left in that Discord. Go join it. But when you see other people's images that you like you can click the variations button underneath that image, and then you can make your own version of that. And that's what I would recommend you do. Rather than just starting from scratch, work with something where somebody's already used all their credits to do something else, and then you can work from there. Another one that I don't know why I never see this one talked about. This one is really, really amazing. Wumbo.art. I'll leave the link in the description below. Wumbo.art. High quality artwork created in seconds. You can search Wumbo on your app store, and you can get it there. But you can see here, these are some images created, and I thought I'd show you comparing the 2 sets here with the images I created. This was when I put in the word metaverse. This is Sky Island Paradise. You can see very much, again, art focused, right? But you can get some really, really beautiful art out of this, and yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. But again, art, this is for those of you guys who want to have fun with the tech, right? But the great thing about Dalle, and I'll just show you how it compares here. These are some of the images I created with Dalle. So let's just skip over some of these. But yeah, like a giant slime floating over a castle. I just feel like this is much more realistic. A village and a clock. Here are 4. These are 4 iterations. This is an example of 4 iterations you get here. You get this was a voxel whale. I tried a couple of those. This was a person just being really sad about their diploma. I got a lot of bad ones with this one, but the one that worked out is pretty good. Dalle really has trouble with eyes all of the time, and yeah, you have to get lucky. And if you're good with Photoshop, you can improve them, so that's always good. these were another ones with slime and castle. But anyway, you can see they're very realistic. You have to become really good with the prompts to get DALL-E to work right. Anyway, there's one more I'd like to show you that, again, it's just a hidden gem. Nobody talks about this, but basically, this person does not exist. If you need a face, and you can mix and match these, I won't get into this right now, but basically, it'll create a face. These are really realistic looking faces, but they are not actual people. None of these people are real. It says this person does not exist is the name of the website, right? So yeah, get there and check it out. It's really, really awesome. And yeah, I'll leave you a video, by the way, if you want to generate amazing prompts. I'm going to leave that video in the middle of the screen right now.